What's going on, everybody? Today, this morning, I'm going to show you how to make a ProtonDB entry once you get, a particular game either running or not running, where you can essentially all of the information here is crowdsourced. So what happens is you sign in with your Steam account. I've already signed in here, and what you do is you get all of your Steam information by doing this. Essentially, you go up, pop open Steam, you go to Help, and you go to System Information. It will populate all of this info right here. When it's done, you can scroll down, and once it gets to this, you know that it has everything that it needs. So you do a copy, Control A for select all, Control C for copy. Then you can close it. Go back to your browser tab here, select all, and then you paste the new information in. Once all of that is in, over here will populate with it'll parse the information that it needs, and it'll parse the information that it needs, and then you'll be able to see all of the pertinent information tied to your particular next few entries, so that people who do look at your database entry will see what your machine configuration is. Okay, as you can, here's a couple of the other entries that I've made in the past. See, I have a few for Borderlands 3, Jedi Fallen Order, Fear, Arrow, Shadow of the Tomb Raider, so forth and so on. But now that that's in there, what you can do is go to Contribute. And here you can either search by name, Evil 3. If it doesn't pop up, another way that you can find the game is through App ID. So what you do is you can go here, Evil 3, and then once you hit this right here is the App ID, 952060 for this particular case. Okay, so we'll just go back to Contribute, type 952060, and boom, it pops, right? So this is the game we want. We hit next, and for this particular instance, we didn't have an out-of-the-box experience. We didn't use Valve's built-in versions of Proton in order to get the game to run. We tried that first and it didn't work. So this is a tinker report because we wound up getting the game to work fully with one of Glorious Egg Roll's custom versions. So we hit tinker report here, we go next. Yes, I was able to install the game without issue. So yes, we were able to start up the game and view its initial menu. Yes, we did, because we did our graphics options. Were you able to begin playing? No. Next. That's a bummer. Submitting a bork report where you may want to fit. Whoa. We need to go back because it isn't borked. It's not borked. So let's go back and then do that over again. 952060. Start over. Yes, I'm sure. 952060. Go next. Tinker report. Yes. Yes, we can install. Yes, we could. We'll say yes. Less than 15 minutes. Next. What version of Proton are you using? Nothing here. So we'll go not listed, manual Proton version. Okay, so we use 5.4-GE-3. Launched the game, we launched it through Steam. We did disable eSync, and we did use large address aware. The other switch I used was radc_perf test equals ACO. So the fellow Radeon folks would know that that particular flag works. What customizations have we made? We had to use the Media Foundation DLL. For the details is well, they'll see the other entries in the database. I won't put any further details here for right now. Let me go next. Expected slowness on your hardware? No. Graphical degradations? No. Next. Problems with windowing or full screen? No. I'm not sure about the audio, but I'm going to say no. Mouse, gamepad, or any other input devices? No. Next. Stability issues? Not after we had it running. Any issues with save games? No, not that we're aware of. Any other significant bugs? Yes, we'll put be sure to switch to PX11 in the game graphics options, and we start. There we go. Next, multiplayer, crucial part of, no, it's not. It's a game infected by any of the cheap software, not that I know of. No, I didn't try online multiplayer. No, I didn't try local multiplayer. The typical gamer having enjoyable experience with this game with Proton. Yeah, after they jump through the hoops. Is there anything you'd like to add that was not covered in the previous questions? No. We'll go next. And here's a preview of what my my entry will look like. And all of that looks solid. So we'll hit submit. See, remember over here when we put the system information in, and it parsed out the information. This is what I was talking about. It tells exactly what my current configuration is. My kernel version, the amount of RAM, the OS, GPU driver, GPU and CPU. So we'll just hit submit and let it roll. Now these entries typically update after 12 to 24 hours or so. So in about a day it'll show up. It doesn't show up immediately. I don't know whether they have like a manual approval process or whether they have a certain time where something on their back end runs and it publishes all of these submissions for that particular day. Anyway, that's how you make a ProtonDB entry. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.